Okay, for this next question, I don't really need to write much. So cats have the ability to orient themselves if they're falling. So that means they can avoid injuries by landing on their feet. And they can do this without needing to be rotating first. So there's a lot more information here than you need for this question. The cat determines which way is up by rotating its head. Here we go. The cat exerts internal forces to twist the front half of its body to face down, so you can see the front half is coming down here, and does that by letting its back half rotate upwards. Then the cat exerts internal forces to twist the back half of its body to face down, and then the cat lands safely. We're going to talk a lot more about this when we look at rotational motion and what the cat's doing with its limbs here to change this thing called rotational inertia. And the cat lands safely. That's good to know. The cat can be modelled as a pair of equal mass cylinders, the front and back halves of the cat, linked at the centre of mass of the cat. So they're trying to tell me that a cat looks something like this. Two cylinders with the centre of mass in the middle. I don't know. I've seen a few cats. I've seen no cats look like that. Anyway, it's probably going to do as a model. So describe the motion of the centre of mass of the cat during its fall and explain why the linear momentum of the cat is increasing. Okay, so in this scenario the cat's falling, which means, just like in the video, the centre of mass of the object is going to be in projectile motion, because the only force acting is the weight force, and the weight force, you can think of the weight force as acting just solely on the centre of mass of the object. So this is the weight force of the cat, which means the centre of mass is going to be accelerating vertically downwards, which means the vertical velocity of the cat is going to be increasing in the downwards direction, which means since the velocity of the cat is going to be increasing in the downwards direction, that means the momentum of the cat is going to be increasing in the downwards direction. The blue and the red halves of the cat could be moving in different directions, but the centre of mass is going to be moving in projectile motion. Describe the motion of the centre of mass of the cat as it falls. Explain why the linear momentum of the cat is increasing. Great, I think I've done that.